In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new style 3D Pixar Studio style images with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, start a chat, write a strong prompt tailored to that iconic 3D Studio look, and submit it so the model can generate your image. First, open your browser and head to the official Grok website. Give the page a moment to load so all the features are available. A stable internet connection helps here, especially when you're working with image generation, since results can be a bit larger than typical text responses. Once you're on the site, you're in the right place to begin. Next, find and click on Chat. This takes you into the conversation view where you interact with Grok. You'll see a message field at the bottom and a send or submit button nearby. This is where everything happens. You describe what you want and the model responds. If you're new to the interface, take a second to notice the input box and any icons for sending messages. Knowing where those are makes the next part smooth. Now, type your prompt. To aim for a Pixar-style 3D look, be clear, descriptive, and cinematic. Start with your subject, then add the style tag, and finish with details that influence lighting, materials, camera, and mood. For example, a whimsical 3D character in the style of a Pixar studio render, big expressive eyes, soft subsurface skin, stylized proportions, vibrant color palette, global illumination, soft rim light, shallow depth of field, cinematic framing, clean background. If you want a specific scene, expand it. A friendly robot and a child exploring a cozy workshop, warm volumetric light through dusty windows, glossy painted metal, felt textures, gentle bounce light, subtle film grain, uplifting mood. You can also guide what to avoid by adding phrases like, no harsh realism, no cluttered background, to keep the image clean and on model. Keep sentences concise, use concrete nouns and adjectives, and prioritize the most important details first so the model doesn't miss them. Finally, press enter or click the submit button. Give Grok a moment to process your request. Generation time may vary. When the result appears, study it for composition, lighting, and character appeal. If something feels off, maybe the lighting is too flat or the colors are muted, tweak the wording in your prompt and submit again. Small changes like stronger rim light, richer saturation, or closer camera angle can make a big difference without overhauling your idea. That's it. You went to Grok, opened chat, crafted a focused Pixar-style prompt, and submitted it. Repeat the refine and submit cycle as needed, and you'll dial in a consistent, professional 3D studio look.